Gosh. Last time I was through here, these were just little flower beds, just barely growing. An inch off the ground. Now they're like 2 or 3 feet. Very cool. Person that I talked to last time here said they were going to get this high, and she wasn't a kidding. Wow, that is just absolutely beautiful. Just coming out the bottom there. I just love these plants. Just beautiful. Nice little landscaping back here. Head back to the little parkway here. It's just beautiful. Take advantage of it while the flowers are out and before fall starts to creep in and take the flowers away. Beautiful. I've always loved this area. Just very well kept. Pretty quiet. A little bit of traffic on Jefferson there. Really pretty. Really pretty. Well, that's not, but these gals over here are doing a little yoga. Just a beautiful time of the day to be exercising because of a lot of shade, a little bit of a breeze. Love the landscaping. I love these little rivers little rock rivers, I call them. Just a quick leisurely walk today. It's kind of what I call my midweek excursion. My little break. Midweek, midday. Just kind of walking around, enjoying the nice weather and the beautiful views with the flowers. Just love flowers. Now I know I've shown this area quite a few times in my videos, but it's one of my favorite places to go for a little walk. Just very calm. You can hear the birds. That's kind of what I'm interested in lately, is just be as calm as possible, relaxing, and hopefully my videos convey this and it helps other people calm down. A lot of people out there with anxiety and a lot of problems. Sometimes you just need to take a break, watch a video that doesn't have people hurting themselves and people laughing, pulling out their phones and recording it. Sometimes you just need something just nice and relaxing to watch for a few minutes while you breathe and go on with your day. There's always something more to catch if you keep your eyes out for it. See, what I mean is it's not a very pleasant area. I've got the garbage cans and the electrical boxes here, but look at the ivy type plant. Just covering it up, just really growing over the wall there. Just makes for a very artistic picture, I think. Nice little business park here. Walk through here on the way back and check out some more flowers. I just love flowers. I'm hoping my viewers like them too. I don't think I get very many views when I do little nature walks like this, but that's okay. Some people like them. UPS guy, your truck is beeping. It's just nice to do once in a while. Look how bright white these are. I hope these show up good on camera. These are just sparkling white. Just beautiful, a whole row of them. Now last time I did a video in this area, I did a pretty nice video of doing a little walk in the middle of the day up around here. But I screwed up the audio big time. The music was starting, I just couldn't fix it. There was a copyright claim, so I tried to fix it with some of YouTube's songs that you can use, and I chopped out half of my dialogue, so just kind of gave up. But this one will be a lot better. Well, I shouldn't be in the street like this, but when there's no sidewalk. Now let's see if I can get across this street without any problems. I think I got sunburned just standing there waiting for that light to change. Whew, some of these traffic lights. Well, we've got all the motion picture guys out here again. This is a place that they park, all the extras and everybody. So, and here comes a guy to tell me to get out. Yeah, that guy kicked me out of there. He goes, you have to be across the street to take pictures. Oh well, that meanie. Nah, he's just doing his job. Got a school bus here that says Movie Makers Production Services. I don't know what the sign says limit, so I don't know if there's a new show or a movie named that, but it's interesting just to see where they gather there to start. You know, it used to bother me when people tell me to quit taking pictures, or what are you taking pictures of, or get off my land, or get out of here, or don't walk in my house without knocking.
I'm used to it now. It doesn't even bother me. I just say, okay, sorry, bye.
Whew, I found some shade. It's a little warm yet. I think it's going to cool down this next week and stay down there at least in the 80s, upper 80s, but it's better than the high 90s. But that's going to do it for today's little excursion. Hope you enjoyed it. Just a quick little walk for exercise, and just try to relax a little bit, you know, just enjoy the time that we have. Well, thanks again. Take care of yourself and others, as always. Bye now. Not bad.